Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Monday evening, December 15th, 2025, and we have a lineup of technology headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Conversion of the Platform Group AG into a KGaA completed as planned. The Platform Group AG has successfully completed its conversion into a German partnership limited by shares, KGaA. The company now operates under the name the Platform Group SE & Co. KA, TPG. All former shareholders are now limited partners of TPG, with management handled by the Platform Group Management SE. This conversion enhances the company's strategic orientation, operational flexibility, and ownership structure. Shareholder stakes remain unchanged, with bearer shares converted to registered shares. The trading symbol TPG will remain the same, with new WKN and ISIN numbers coming into effect in January 2026. TPG is a software company with platform solutions in 26 industries, serving both B2B and B2C customers. For more information, visit corporate.platform-group.com.
Investor news breaks. FingerMotion Inc., FNGR, enters non-binding term sheet for potential telecom acquisition. FingerMotion Inc., a mobile services, data, and technology company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FNGR, has entered into a non-binding term sheet with a voice and messaging telecom service provider for a potential acquisition. While the term sheet outlines preliminary terms, no binding agreement has been executed yet. The parties will proceed with mutual due diligence and negotiations toward a definitive agreement. However, the completion of any potential acquisition is subject to due diligence, customary conditions, board approval, and final transaction document execution. FingerMotion aims to grow its user base through organic means and develop an ecosystem of highly engaged users utilizing its innovative applications. The company envisions serving over 1 billion users in the China market and expanding to other regional markets in the future.
Critical Infrastructure Technologies provides Nexus production update. Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd provides an update on the production and delivery schedule for the first 2 Nexus 20 units. Nexus 1 Military Green will undergo final fit-off and testing in late December 2025, while Nexus 2 Yellow with red and white mast will follow in early January 2026. Each unit will integrate advanced communication, surveillance, and control systems during a 4-week fit-out process. The CEO, Brenton Scott, highlights the scalability and global demand for the Nexus system, with strong commercial interest across all markets. SciTech is focused on creating autonomous, high-capacity mobile communication and security platforms for mining, defense, border security, and emergency services sectors. To learn more, visit www.scitech.com.au.
Lionheart Health files patent for bioelectric enhanced clotho nanoflowers designed for aging reversal and health span. Lionheart Health Inc. has filed a groundbreaking non-provisional U.S. patent for bioelectric enhanced clotho nanoflowers aimed at reversing aging and extending health span. This transformative therapeutic system combines nanoflower format nanoparticles, bioelectric signaling sequences, and clotho-modulating biologics to target cellular and mitochondrial drivers of aging. The patented platform integrates Lionheart's proprietary technologies to upregulate clotho, restore mitochondrial function, deliver targeted bioactive agents, and enhance regenerative signaling. Lionheart's goal is to reverse biological age at the cellular level and enhance health span safely and affordably. The nanoflowers respond to bioelectric fields, increasing cellular uptake, intracellular transport, and activation of biological payloads. Clotho expression is boosted by both nanoflowers and bioelectric stimulation, offering a combined therapeutic benefit mechanism for system-wide health span improvement. Lionheart's new platform advances the science of targeted clotho delivery and activation inside mitochondrial and cellular compartments, responsible for aging, positioning the company as a global leader in healthspan technologies.
Investor news breaks. GlobalTech Corp. (OTC GLTK) names D. Boral Capital as strategic advisor for planned Moda and Pele acquisition. GlobalTech Corporation (OTCLTK) has named D. Boral Capital LLC as a strategic advisor for the planned acquisition of Moda and Pele. The engagement is aimed at providing financial advisory services for the transaction. The acquisition is subject to customary agreements, conditions, and regulatory compliance, with no guarantee of completion. GlobalTech focuses on AI, big data, and emerging technologies to drive innovation and create value in the digital economy. For more information, visit GlobalTech's newsroom. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering advanced wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. Defense news breaks. Datavault AI Inc. (DVLT) taps Hockey Hall of Famer Jeremy Roenick to advise International NIL Exchange Initiative. Datavault AI Inc. (DVLT) has enlisted Hockey Hall of Famer Jeremy Roenick to provide guidance on its sports and entertainment initiative for the upcoming International NIL Exchange. This initiative, utilizing Datavault AI's patented technologies, allows for the trading of sports and entertainment assets on the Information Data Exchange. The platform, supported by Roenick, aims to create monetization opportunities for athletes, entertainers, and rights holders. Datavault AI is a leader in AI experience, valuation, and asset monetization in the Web 3.0 environment, offering comprehensive solutions for various industries. For more information, visit Datavault AI's newsroom at h/ibn.fm/dvlt.
Xeriant Inc. Xeri is one to watch. Xeriant Inc., trading under the ticker symbol Xeri, is a company to watch in the aerospace and technology sectors. With a strategic holding company model, Xeriant offers exposure to next-generation aerospace, advanced materials, and sustainability-focused technologies. The company's Nexboard product line targets green construction and fire-resistant materials markets, with ongoing certification efforts and strong industry interest. Xeriant's innovation division, Factor X, accelerates commercialization across high-growth sectors. Strategic investments in aerospace technologies position the company for long-term growth in urban air mobility and advanced aircraft systems. Xeriant is dedicated to discovering, developing, and commercializing transformative technologies, focusing on eco-friendly advanced materials with applications across multiple industries. For more information and updates on Xeri, visit the company's newsroom.
New technologies are amplifying demand for new materials. New technologies are changing the world at a fast pace, creating a demand for special materials. Generative AI is gaining attention for its various applications, but it relies on minerals that are not easily found. As AI technology evolves, companies like Core AI Holdings Inc. could see fluctuations in hardware and software costs. Tech Media Wire is a platform focused on companies driving the future of technology, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit techmediawire.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.